show y'all my game room. It is literally not complete. I still have to order a couch and get a couch put here or something, and then figure out what I'm going to do with these bookcases and stuff. But for the most part, at least like where I game and stuff and do my work has been set up. And then I got like the TV and stuff moved in here. I did install some lights underneath the desk. It's like around and underneath the desk. And then I have this cute little cloud, and this gives it a whole vibe. It's like a whole ambiance. I have this cute little cloud up here, and he is so cute. This is like his lower setting. See if I can go down. And then goes up another one, and then he can also just be on a setting where he changes colors. And I just really love him. He is so cute up there with all my little stuff. I just got these 2 pictures from Target. They were something that I already had, so I didn't want to throw them away, and I definitely wanted them to have use. And I wanted my desk to not be so black and white, so I got this wooden pegboard from IKEA, and then just the wood accents from there to match the wood in black and white that goes on here. So yeah, I had hung a TV here previously, so, and because I had those 2 pictures up there, so there's plenty of holes, and so I just put that up there until I figure out what I want to put above here. I don't want to hang any curtains. I just want a couch, about a 60-70 inch couch, like not even like a couch, like a love seat to go like diagonally. I do have like a gallery wall idea here, and I've already kind of picked out the pictures, well, the prints from Decennial, so I have some ideas. But yeah, and then of course like a round rug or some kind of fun, funky kind of rug. If you thought I thought this was cute, this is like, I think it was only like $12.99. It was like $12.99. It's the cutest shit ever. Oh, I ordered my couch, so my couch is set to be here at the end of this coming up week, and so I'm so excited. It's not like a whole couch; it's more like a little love seat, but it's perfect for me to just sit on and game. And then I was like, oh, this would be the cutest pillow, either to put on top of my bookshelf, or, especially since it has little feet, to be just hanging off the end, or put it on the couch. So I'll see which one I like better. This is so cute. This was a regular shape, and I like the difference in height between the 2. I'm thinking I'm gonna I removed one of the bookshelves, so it looks like crowded or whatever, but I really like it. Cause I don't know where I want to go like this low. But in here, this has like all my, you know, stuff I color with or do my planners with, my little Canon printer and stuff like that, the remotes to the lights. I just keep that up there along with my planner, the monthly one, the weekly one, and then this is Calm the Chaos. It's a journal. It's from Target. It's really good. It's like the little 5-minute journal one, but with different questions. Then I got the games. Not all my games, but like the cute ones. I'm gonna go get the mail so I can see what this monitor is gonna look like, because this is what it looks like right now, and I don't like it. The monitor is literally eating up the whole little box. So yeah, I'm hoping that this is easier than it's looking like it's gonna be. It's so out of pieces. It even came with its own mini screwdriver. So yeah, let me show you what I'm looking like. This is it. So I'm gonna probably just do this and then fast forward to it being done. Okay, so I got just some more Govee strip lights, which they were only like $8 or $9, so that's not bad. And I really like the ones that I have under my desk. However, I still wanted like the sticks that you put on the back of the TV rather than these, but these are cheaper. The last thing I got was this package, and it is just my mat, I'm sure. Okay. Too many packages. Too many boxes. I'm so excited. I hope it's good quality. Oh my god. It was pretty like heavy, so it just lays flat instantly. Oh my god, I love it. Can y'all see it? I freaking love it. Oh, it's longer. It's long enough too, I think. And it's like really vibrant in color. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on my desk and then put the lights up. What y'all think? I think let me see what y'all got. See a little better. It's cute though. So if you can't tell, I'm literally excited because after 3 delayed days, my couch is here. I'm so happy. It is lighter than I expected it, but I'm not even gonna go through what I had to go through to get it in this apartment. But yeah, let's open it up. Okay, at the moment, I'm thinking I'm going to actually leave the couch like this. And here's why. I turned it this way and it looks really weird. It just stuck out a lot. I didn't like it. I mean, who's doing this? Now the couch doesn't have anything to secure both pieces together, so that is something that I'm noticing, is that it does sometimes slide. So yeah, the light. Oh my gosh, y'all, did this not turn out literally insane? I am in love with the way that this entire room and design came out. I still have plenty of other things that I want to accomplish with this room. Like the gallery wall, that's going to be complete and utter chaos. Trying to hang up all of those photos in like a weird kind of way, but still that looks weird. So, of course, if you want to see me struggle, you can continue to tune into my videos like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then of course I'll see you in the next one. Be soon. Bye.